Let's talk about the tools and materials that we're going to use. You'll need to have a sewing machine that can just do a regular straight stitch. You're going to need an iron and an ironing board and a press cloth, and that can just be any piece of cotton fabric. You'll want to go ahead and print out your PDF pattern templates, and you're going to use paper scissors to trim them out and tape to tape some of the pieces together. Then in terms of fabric, you're going to need some wool. I'm using Riley Blake wool blend fabric, and then also for the lining of the bag you're going to want to use some quilting cotton, and then interfacing, and this happens to be a woven cotton interfacing. Also, you will need a 7-inch zipper that's going to match your lining fabric, some kind of marking pen that's got disappearing ink, and scissors. These are regular shears, and then if you have them, pinking shears are great too. Also little scissors for snipping threads and for inserting the hardware. So in terms of hardware, we have a twist lock and its various components that I'll show you how to use. Rectangular rings for the strap. And then I'm also going to install some rivets, and those are optional, but it gives a nice extra touch to your bag. And to install the rivets, you're going to need an anvil, a rivet setter, and a small hammer. Also with hardware, when you're cutting a hole in your fabric, it's a really good idea to have some fray check, and you can use that on the edges to kind of keep things from fraying. Also, a seam ripper and a tube turner or some kind of point turner. This is one that's got a tube and a chopstick, and I'll be showing you how to use that. Also for straps, I like to use a paint stick. It's just a regular paint stick from the hardware store, and it works really great as an ironing surface that you can put inside your strap. You're also going to want to have a ruler on hand and all-purpose thread in your fabric colors that match your main and your lining fabrics, and then also pins. So now we're all set, and we can go ahead and assemble our pattern templates.